Welcome to Uncommon DevOps Wisdom by Uncommon Sense Consulting. Welcome to the world of DevOps, where development and operations intertwine to form a seamless and efficient software development lifecycle. DevOps, in its essence, is a set of practices that combine software development and IT operations. Its primary goal is to shorten the software development lifecycle and provide continuous delivery with high software quality. Starting off with unit testing, this is where individual components of a software are tested. The purpose is to validate that each unit of the software performs as designed. Then we have integration testing. This is a level up from unit testing where individual units are combined and tested as a group. The intention here is to expose faults in the interaction between integrated units. Next up is functional testing. This type of testing involves the validation of each function of the software application by providing appropriate input and verifying the output against the functional requirements. Regression testing, on the other hand, ensures that previously developed and tested software still performs the same way after changes are made. Performance testing checks how the system performs and behaves. It involves testing software applications under particular loads and determining whether it can sustain the heavy load. Security testing is a type of testing that checks whether the system protects data and maintains functionality as intended. It ensures that the software is free from threats and vulnerabilities that could cause loss of information, revenue, or reputation. Acceptance testing is the type of testing that checks whether the system is prepared for delivery. It validates whether the software meets the specified requirements and whether the customer accepts the software or not. Smoke testing, also known as build verification testing, is a type of software testing that comprises a non-exhaustive set of tests that aim to ensure that the most important functions work. Load testing, a subset of performance testing, is used to test the system under the expected load and beyond. It helps identify the maximum operating capacity of an application and any bottlenecks that can interfere with its performance. Exploratory testing is a simultaneous process of test design and test execution, all done at the same time. It doesn't follow any strict processes or procedures. Usability testing is a technique used to evaluate a product by testing it on users. This can be seen as an irreplaceable usability practice, since it gives direct input on how real users use the system. API testing involves testing the application programming interfaces, APIs, directly and as part of integration testing to determine if they meet expectations for functionality, reliability, performance, and security. Container testing involves testing the functionality, security, and performance of applications running in containers, while infrastructure as code testing ensures that the infrastructure that your application will run on is also tested as part of your DevOps process. In conclusion, DevOps testing is a critical part of the DevOps lifecycle. It ensures that the software delivered is of high quality and meets the requirements of the customer. By understanding and implementing these various types of testing, you can ensure a successful and efficient DevOps process.